Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to fix P0750 bad shift solenoid code. If you're getting P0750 code, most likely one or more of the shift solenoid is bad. So the shift solenoid is located on the valve body, and when the shift solenoid starts to fail, it's going to cause all sorts of issues. For example, you're going to notice delayed shifting, hard shifting. You may notice your transmission slipping. You may notice poor acceleration. You may notice your vehicle may not go when you step on the gas pedal. And you may notice that RPM jumping. You may notice some noise coming from the transmission, and so on. Also, if the shift solenoid is bad, it can cause poor fuel economy, and also it can set your vehicle into limp mode. Basically, it is a safety feature to prevent your vehicle going faster than 35 miles per hour or second gear. So what caused the shift solenoid to fail? And the number one reason why the shift solenoid fell is going to be dirty transmission fluid. If the transmission fluid is dirty, it can cause the shift solenoid to start to clog. What I have here is dirty transmission fluid. If you look at the filter, you can see there's a lot of friction material on it, and this can cause the shift solenoid to clog. If you look at the magnet on the transmission pan, there's a lot of metal particles on it. This is fine metal particles. If you look at the shift solenoid, there is a screen on it. Now, if you clean up that screen, it is possible that the shift solenoid may start to work again. To clean the screen, I like to use carburetor cleaner, and it should unclog the screen. Also, while you're here, make sure to check the seal on the shift solenoid. Make sure the seal is not split or cracked, because if you remove that shift solenoid to clean that screen, there's a very high chance you might accidentally destroy the seal. If you want to make sure that the shift solenoid is actually working, you can always energize it by giving it 12 volt. Of course, make sure to check manufacturer specification to be sure. So now let's energize it. So make sure to listen for a clicking sound. For the next test, we're going to check the resistance on the shift solenoid. So a good shift solenoid should be about 5 ohm. So make sure to take your multimeter and set it to ohms. Now let's back probe it. So right there, we got about 5 ohms. As always, make sure to check manufacturer specification, because this may not be accurate for your vehicle. I hope you found that video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.